Hi, this is Tracy and this is Arushi.
Hi.
So we are from Youth Empowerment Foundation, and Arushi has had the opportunity to work with our organization for the past 1 month, and we are here to ask her about her experience and what she has learned from this NGO. So let's begin the conversation. So Arushi, let us start with your feedback about this organization and what your experiences were during your tenure.
Thank you for the question. So my experience with the NGO has been amazing till date because it was like I was part of something bigger and I had the privilege to work for the people and with people. So it was all over an amazing experience working with YEF because their aim to make youth independent and to develop skills so that they can foster their future very well is something amazing.
That's true.
Yes. So to be working with, and it has made me more compassionate about the privilege that I personally have. So it was all over a very great experience, and the people were like so helpful, so kind-hearted, and the kind of dedication I used to see. They want to do something, they have to bring change, and they have to really like focusing on education, which is very important and primary and should be primary to our like society because knowledge is everything.
Right. Rightly said. So I also came to know that your tenure is over, but you still want to work, and this time you want to work on field.
Yes.
So what is the reason actually?
Yes, so like I was like overwhelmed with my experience as an HR because I used to like conduct interviews and I used to deal with volunteers who were like ready to dedicate their time. So I used to see how compassionate they are and like taking out their time, like valuable time, and working to obviously to gain experience, but at the same time like working hard to so that they can make the children understand what the like subject is and contributing their part. So some of the interviews which I conducted was like so motivating to me, like yeah, I'm not contributing anything and they have a motive to like contribute to be part of society, and they want to like in future want to found an NGO or do something similar like this. So that actually motivated me, and I really wanted to connect with the children and people on one-on-one level so that I can understand like what all crises they're going through, and after COVID we all know the situation, the downfalls. So even I wanted to like connect and like understand because I'm like personally I'm very spiritual person. I also practice Buddhism. So yes. So I wanted to connect and like how can we contribute to them. So I just wanted to understand that.
That is beautiful.
And like YF is like doing that for me, and like it's like very helpful. They're like motivating me. If I want to like pursue anything, if I want to shift my profile also, they're helpful for that also. They're like accepting or and like the flexibility part is like amazing with YF.
It is actually a privilege that it's actually an honor for us as well that people like you are willing to work with us. And as you said, right, it's true that when we hear people talk about their dedication to work with YEF and bring a change to this world, it's really encouraging.
Yes, it is absolutely.
So coming to the important question, Arushi, what qualities have you inculcated while working with YEF, while dealing with people, and what have you learned?
So basically, I have learned many things from YEF on both personal and professional level. Personal level, it has made me more compassionate. It has bring a sense of change in my thought process, how I look and like how my perspective think. Like if suppose earlier I used to be like so pessimistic, but now when I think upon my life, I think like how privileged I am, which I was not aware of it. So everything, like every people should at least work in an NGO so that they can get an insight on how the perspective and how like people who are not privileged are more happier than us. We are like caught up in our tensions and different kind of problem that we don't look like with a normal smile we can live happily, but no, we want materialistic things, we want different things. So it has made me very, very, very compassionate. That's the biggest thing I'm gonna take from this NGO. And professionally, obviously it has helped me to sharpen my skills, to actually communicate with different kind of people, what kind of understanding they hold, and how to handle each person differently, and how to conduct interviews. Or also, it will add to my experience, so it has been like very helpful, both professionally and personally.
Listening to you, I can finally believe that reality does change one's perspective in life.
Yes, it is absolutely.
So, one final question, Arushi. What would you like to send as your message to the youths?
Like, my simple and short message to the youth will be that chase happiness and knowledge. Everything is secondary and it will all follow you. If you are happy, nothing matters. Because money aa jata hai. It can come anytime. But happiness is something, if you're happy now, money will automatically follow you despite anything. And knowledge, if you have the knowledge, if you have correct tools and resources, like how to use your knowledge into getting an opportunity, it's great. So just chase knowledge and happiness, everything is secondary.
That was wonderful, Arushi. So thank you so much for giving us your time and your sharing with us your experience on what you had experienced with YEF.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
support.
you.
And thank you, YES, for this opportunity.